Assalamu alaikum. Hi my dear students. Welcome back to our English class. Today I am going to teach you an important topic, grammar, adverbs. Okay. Adverbs, already you know about what is adverb. In your lower class you have studied what is adverbs. Adverbs is, it describes the verb. Okay. In a sentence you have verb. Verb, you know what is that? Action verb. Okay. What is that? Action word, you know what is that? Jumping, skipping, listening, these are action words. And then adverbs means it describes the verbs. For example, she walks slowly. Slowly is the what? Adverbs. Okay, that is the meaning. Now page number 84, read the sentence from the story. Okay, read the sentence from the story. On one occasion, I went to the Sahyadri Hills, a densely forested region in Karnataka. So here the word densely they have given. Okay, what is the word they have given? Densely. And then his eyes seemed to welcome me warmly. And then extremely. So here the letters they have given in bold black letters. Okay, bold black letters. So here densely, warmly, extremely, these words are, we call it as what? Adverbs. Okay. So forested, forest is the noun. Densely forested, thick forest. So it describes the, what is that, noun. More information okay given in a sentence, so that we called it as more information about the verb. Okay, densely forested. So and then again the next sentence, warmly, extremely, these words we call it as adverbs. Understand? Look at the words in bold, they are adverbs. Adverbs tells us more about the verbs. Adjectives or adverbs they modify. So adverbs tells about more about the verbs. Okay, I told you, no, she walks slowly. Walk is the verb. How she walks? Slowly. Okay. She laughs loudly. Okay. So laughs is the verb, and how she laughs? Loudly. That loudly is the adverb. Okay. So these are the adverbs. Observe the words in the column in the following table. They all end with the suffix ly. So now we are going to see the, what is that, suffix. What do you mean by suffix? Suffix is the letters, group of letters adding at the end of the word. Suffix is the group of the letters adding at the end of the word. So here adverb also we are, what is that, adding ly. Okay, usually, really. Okay, so now we are seeing the adverbs, examples of adverbs. In a sentence you can easily identify that. Mostly the words it has ly. Okay, and then what is that? Mostly ly will come. That you can identify that word is the adverb. Sometimes it may be a, what is that, adjective also. So here adverbs, usually, really, kindly, perfectly, totally. Okay, and then amazingly. So observe the words in the first column in the following table, they all end with the suffix ly. So here these are all end with the suffix ly, adding. Okay, these words we call it as what? Adverbs. Okay. Now on removing the suffix, example, if you are removing the suffix ly, what word will come? We have to write that. Okay, what word will come? Usual, and then real, and then kind, and then perfect, and then total, and then amazing. Understand? So very easy. So when you are adding the suffix ly, it became the adverbs, that is usually, really, kindly, perfectly, totally, amazingly. Understand? And here it become, if you are removing the ly, what word will come? Usual, real, kind, perfect, total, amazing. Okay. Now we can usually form adverbs from adjectives by adding the suffix ly. So these are all the words. What is that? Kind. Kind is the adjective. Okay. So some adjectives you are adding the ly, it become adverbs. Understand? You can form the adverbs. What is that? By adding in the adjective. Understand? We can usually form adverbs. How we can form adverbs? From adjective. Adjective means what? It describes a noun. Okay, it describes a noun. So adverbs from adjectives by adding the suffix ly. Not all adverbs, however, are formed in this way. So here what they are telling, not all the what is that, adverbs are formed like in the same way. What is that? Usually, really, kindly, perfectly, totally, amazingly. These are the words. Okay, we call it as adverbs. Ly we are adding, but not every word we can say in the same manner. Okay. For more adjective, we add ly at the end of the word to change it to an adverb. So here some adjectives they have given. So how it became the adverb, we are going to see that. Okay. Here adjectives. Random, quick, general. So here we are adding ly and it become, what is that? Adverb. These are adjective, random, quick, general. Okay. So here randomly, quickly, okay, and then generally. Understand? So here randomly, quickly, generally, these are adverbs, come from the adjectives, and then if the adjectives ends in y, the y is replaced with I before adding ly. So here another adjectives they are telling, the adjective what is it, letter ends with y means the adverbs it become, what is that, ily. Okay, I will come. Okay, we'll see the example, you can understand that. So the adjective ends with y. Okay, for example, easy, angry, and then happy. So what letter in the end it has? Y. Okay, so it is replaced with I. Okay, it is replaced with I, that is adding with ly. Usually adverbs ly will come. Here the adjective y letter comes means you have to add ily. Okay, that is easily, angrily, and then happily. Okay, so now we are, what is it, we are replacing the y from the adjective and we are adding ily. Okay, and it becomes the adverbs. So this chapter is about how the adverbs comes from. Okay, where it is comes from the adjective it comes from, what are the letters we are adding, and it become the what is that, adverbs. If the adjective ending in y has only one syllable, we just add ly at the end. Okay, so if the adjective, so mostly the adverbs are forming from the adjective only. Okay, adjective means it describes the nouns forming from the adjectives. So here that now the ending y has only one syllable and we just add ly at the end. Okay, some words we have adding only ly only, we are not adding any other I or anything. Okay, that example is that is dry become dryly, shy, it become shyly, and then sly, slyly. So some words there is no adding I and all, only ly only we are adding. That example is this one. Okay, and then next one, if the adjective ends in able, ible, le, the e is replaced with y. Okay, so here what all adverbs are from the adjectives only they are forming. So here they have given able, ible, le. So these letters are replaced by y. Okay, how they are replaced, now we can see that. Honorable, terrible, gentle. Okay, le. So it becomes, you are adding y. Okay, how we are adding? Honorably, and then terribly, gently. Are you able to follow me here? That able is replaced by, what is that, y. Okay, they are replaced by y. Okay, that e is replaced by y. Here also e is replaced by y, and here also e is replaced by y. Okay, so honorable, honorably, terrible, terribly, gentle, gently. Are you able to follow me? So here the E is replaced by Y. So it becomes adverbs. So all the words are formed from the adjectives only. Okay. Another, if the adjective ends in IC, ALLY is added. So, for example, the adjective word it has IC means you have to add ALLY. Okay. Tragic, graphic. So the last letter is IC. So it become ALLY. And then magic. So here tragically, graphically, and then magically. So here the IC is replaced by ALLY. Okay. So here tragic, tragically. So you are adding, what is that? ALLY. IC is replaced by ALLY. And then graphic. Okay. Graphic. If the adjective ends in IC, okay, not we are removing IC, but we are adding ALLY. Okay, we are not removing IC, we are adding ALLY. For example, tragic, tragically, graphic, graphically, magic, magically. Okay, some adjectives do not change when they form adverbs. So, some adjectives they do not form any, what is a change. Okay, they do not have any change. What is that? Yearly, fast, odd. These are same in the adjective as well as in the, what is that? Adverb. Okay, and then exception cases is true, truly, full, fully, all, wholly, public, publicly. Okay, some words are little bit different. So here the words they do not have any changes is yearly, fast, odd. These three words are both are same in the adjective and adverbs. So in this chapter, what we have learned, what do you understand? So all the adverbs it has ly. Okay, mostly ly. Y will end it usually like that. Graphically, tragically it will come. So these adverbs are forming from the adjective. Adjective means what? It describes the noun. Okay, for example, the black cat. The cat is the noun, the black is the adjective. So all the adverbs are forming from the adjectives only. Okay, so some words both adverbs and adjectives are same. It's very important chapter this is. Okay, I hope you all understand this chapter very well. If you have any doubt in this particular chapter, after seeing the video, you have to open your book and see that what are the words are replaced from the adjective and how it become the adverbs. Okay, so there are so many words they have given. If you have any doubt in this particular chapter, you can ask me. Okay, keep watching the video, don't skip any videos. Every video is very important. So keep watching. Okay, until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum.